Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Fishes like tuna, salmon, pomfret that have single or fewer bones are perfect to make fish cutlets. So today let's make these fish cutlets with tuna, which is packed with protein, healthy fats and vitamins. Before move on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. Here I have used medium-sized tuna fish pieces. You can also use the canned tuna fish. First, you need to cook the tuna fish, so add some salt, turmeric powder and some water. Cover the pan and cook till it becomes soft. Now take out the cooked tuna fish pieces from the pan and drain out all the water. Now from these cooked fish pieces, remove the skin and the fish bones. And while removing the fish bones, try to shred the fish pieces so that it will be easy to mix and make cutlets. Now into this, add some crushed ginger, coriander leaves, some green chili, boiled potatoes, salt and some chili powder. If you want to add more masalas, you can add garam masala, cumin powder, etc. Now mix everything really well. You can add some breadcrumbs into the mixture and mix. Now let me show you an easy method to shape the cutlets. So take a small cap of a container, place a cling film inside and press down the cutlet mixture in it and slowly pull it up. And that's it, your one cutlet is ready for frying. Actually, this method saves you a lot of time and ensure that all your cutlets are identical. Likewise, make all the cutlets. Now for the coating, here I am using 2 eggs and some breadcrumbs. So take each cutlet, dip it in egg and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Carry on in the same manner until all of the cutlets are done. You can store these cutlets in an airtight container and freeze it for up to 10 to 20 days. And when you want to fry it, just take it out from the freezer, thaw and fry it. Now for frying these cutlets, heat some oil and add the cutlets into this hot oil. And fry both the sides till it becomes golden brown shade. Once it is done frying, take it out from oil and transfer that onto any oil absorbent paper. Likewise, fry all the cutlets. So here it is, our tuna fish cutlets are ready. These tuna cutlets are delicious and a crunchy tea time snack that your kids will love. It also makes a great appetizer. It can also serve as a burger in a bun. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Do hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.